Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with many important hiring for 2024, 2025, as well 2026 pass out batch. So first important opportunity from the eBuy, they are hiring for the role of associate analyst and job location is Gurugram and this is the primary location. So talking about the job descriptions, you can go through it and the role is the risk management services means you will work on this things and your role type is associate analyst. So freshers are eligible for this important hiring and competency that you should have independence assurance support group or these all things they have clearly mentions and this will be your opportunity. So role will be part of the largest sub-service function that is independence with risk management RMS and you will responsible for client serving team maintaining EY independence and all those things. So if you are interested for this opportunity you can apply. These are the technical expertise required. So skills and attribute for success. These are the skill ability to work with inclusive mindset, must process a client-centric enable mindset, prioritize tasks. So who are eligible graduate, masters or postgraduate degree, preferably in finance domain. So if you have finance domain from reputed organizations, then you can apply. If you are not from reputed organization, then also you should apply. Okay, and you should have knowledge of all those things. Coming to next important opportunity from Sprinklr, they are hiring for the role of intern and job location is Gurgaon. So these are the job description. This is also a good company, so you can apply for this. And what make great fit for you: strong programming fundamental with ability to write clean, efficient, and maintainable Java and Python code. So if you have knowledge of Java and Python, then you can apply for this. Ability to build zip quickly while maintaining technical trigger and all those things. You can go through complete job link in the description. Okay, inside I provide all the job link in the description. You can apply. And friends, technology means Accenture has been hiring for technology platform engineers. So if you haven't applied, you can apply. And I already made a detailed video related to that, so I will not talk in detail. Okay, you can go through that particular video. Coming to next important opportunity, that is walk-in drive at Gurgaon office for fresher. So if you are living at nearest location, then you can walk into this locations on 24th Feb and time is 10:30 a.m. So location is BT Group 8th floor Tower C building sector 24 and 25A. So role build to cash trainee associate, back office and chat support trainee associate. So any graduates are eligible passing year 2023, 2024, 2025 means you should have graduation mark sheet and willingly to work in 24/7 must have PAN card. If you don't have PAN card and proof, then you will not eligible for this. So candidate with prior experience even a few days will not be considered. Okay, so if you are have some experience with any single day, then you are also not applicable. You should be freshers for this. So you can register here. Coming to next important hiring from the DLTP intern and they are hiring for the various roles. So at Digital Technology Leadership Program DLTP integrated Aerospace is a 2-month experiential learning opportunity. So this is a on-site opportunity and these are the roles and overview that you will work on live technical project with GE Aerospace Digital Technology. You know the importance of aerospace in these days and contribute to areas such as software development, data engineering and all those things. You can go through it. So ideal candidates should be enrolled in full-time MTech program in CS minimum 7 CGPA. So if you are doing CS in all this, then you are eligible for this. Strong fundamental knowledge in DSA, database, operating system, proficiency in all this, and expected to graduate in May, June 2027. Means if you are graduating in 2027, then only you are eligible for this, and you can go through DL qualification, all things. So if you know any person also, then you can share this job link with them who are pursuing MTech. Coming to next important opportunity from the future first, they are hiring for the role of software development intern, and this is also a wonderful opportunity. Everyone should apply. So job location is Gurgaon, and date of joining will be March 2026. So this is the internship role, and you can go through job profile. So this will be your responsibility. You will develop and maintain web application using React and Redux, build reusable UI component, integrate front-end with backend, and support backend development with Node.js or Python. So if you have these kind of tech stacks or if you have done any project, then you should apply. So completed or completing BTech or equivalent in 2026 or before means 2026, 2024, 2025 batch can apply for this hiring, and these are the skill set. So basic understanding of API, backend knowledge, and familiarity with Git development and all those things. So friends, I regularly post lots of important job update in my YouTube channel. So if you want, you can subscribe. Currently NQT hiring is going on and I have already provided you update related to this, and coding playlist has been launched. So today I will upload a first video of this. So make sure to go and start preparing for NQT. This is a best hiring, and if you have been selected for any interview, then you can fill our form and we will provide you dedicated feedback for the interview that will basically boost your confidence. Hope informative to you. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.